Hey y'all, welcome back to my 13 days of Halloween. For today's look, I am doing Katerina Petrova, aka Katherine Pierce from The Vampire Diaries, which is my all-time favorite TV show. I actually did a vampire look in 2019, so I wanted to recreate it this year and make it better, especially since I just went to Mystic Falls last weekend. I thought it would be really fun to do. Plus, it's a really good last-minute costume idea if you need something for Halloween. So the face makeup is going to be just normal, so I'm doing my foundation, and even though I think it ends up covering it up, I'm still doing my concealer. I did go ahead and set everything with a translucent setting powder, and now I'm going in with my bronzer to contour a little bit. Just in case you've never seen The Vampire Diaries, Katherine is Elena Gilbert's doppelganger, so they look exactly alike, but Katherine always has her hair curled and she's a little bit more glam. That is the main difference, so that is why I'm contouring my cheeks and my jawline as well. And now I'm just going to add my normal blush and highlighter. Next, I'm doing my brows using the Benefit Brow Pomade, and I'm going to try and make them a little bit thinner and make my arch a little bit higher to look more like Catherine's. I did line my upper and lower waterline with a black eyeliner because I am going to be doing a smoky eye, and I'm using the Tartelette and Bloom palette by Tarte because it is my favorite eyeshadow palette, and it has a bunch of browns and it also has darker colors as well. So I'm starting off with a light brown as my transition color, and this goes above your crease, and that is the trick to a smoky eye, is by starting off with a lighter shade, and you're also going to go back and forth with this shade to blend out the darker colors. I did use that same color for my lower lash line, but I ended up making it darker later on, and now I'm just taking a dark brown for my crease. Some people like to start on their lid and work their way up, but I have always done it the opposite, so just do what works best for you. And if you don't want to do a full-on smoky eye like this look, you can always do a light smoky eye like in my other tutorials, where you just focus the darker color on the outer corner. Next, I'm taking the black shade in this palette and placing it all over my lid. If you don't have this palette, or if you don't have a black or don't want to use black, you can always use a dark brown. I think that would look really pretty as well. Using that same black eyeshadow, I am tightlining my lower lash line, and I also go over my eyeliner that is in my waterline as well. Now I'm adding mascara. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Top Mascara, and then I'm going to be applying some false lashes. I ended up changing my lip color because I didn't like this lip combo with the dark eyes, but I still wanted to show y'all in case you wanted to try it out if you do lighter eyes or if you just liked it. I'm starting off with just a regular black eyeliner and putting it on the outer corners of top and bottom lip, and then I'm just going to put some red lipstick on top of it and blend it together. After the red and black, I tried just red by itself and I didn't like that either. So I finally decided on this one, and I think it is perfect. It is by NARS and it is the shade Audrey, and I probably should have waited to put the lipstick on until after I put the teeth in, but I wanted y'all to see what her normal face looks like. So if y'all want to see how to turn her into a vampire, keep watching. First, I'm starting with the veins, and I actually learned this trick from a friend who is a very talented makeup artist. She said to mix eyeshadow, saline, and water, and it is perfect. It really makes them look like veins, and they aren't too pigmented. So I actually used a maroon eyeshadow, and that's what I'm doing here with a tiny brush, and I'm just making squiggles and just making it look like veins. Please excuse this attractive face, but now I'm attaching my vampire teeth, and they are actually fake nails. I cut them into points where they looked like teeth, and I am using denture glue. So if you don't have time to find vampire teeth, or if you live somewhere that doesn't have a store that sells them, like me, you can go to the dollar store, buy you some white or clear fake nails and some denture glue. I got both at the dollar store and it worked out perfect. I ended up going in with some gray eyeshadow to add more veins just for more dimension, and now I'm finishing up the look with some fake blood. I'm using a thinner one with my fingers and a thicker, darker one as well. And then I'm going to add some running fake blood to have some drips down the sides of my mouth, and that will complete this look. I really hope that y'all enjoyed it. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss my other looks. I only have 2 days left of my 13 days of Halloween, so you don't want to miss those. But thank you so much for watching, and I will see y'all tomorrow for another Halloween look.